Siargao Island is the place where I considered home. This is the place that I feel I am alive, that I can just hang out at somebody's boat or just relax in the balcony and enjoy the simplicity of life.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Siargao. Today we will do a room tour or a house tour because this is a house. I was asked in some of my social media accounts, both friends and family, and of course you guys, where am I located right now, where am I living? I am here in Siargao Island. It's in Siargao. There's
Quick correction, Siargao is in Siargao del Norte.
So if you are new to my channel, my name is Lady Enchantress and you are here with me in this house tour. So I'm so excited to share this to you because I've been here before. I've stayed in this place for many years. Yeah, it's about like 4 years. And this accommodation, before I start, I wanted to say thank you to Mr. and Mrs. Martin and Mirasol Howell for letting me stay in their property for free. You heard it right. They did not ask for monetary payment for me to stay this. They just say feel at home, and I am now here in the balcony. We will start there outside, but I have a nice view of the beach. So it's high tide right now. I'm not sure if GoPro can see that. Let's just see. So it's about noontime and this is my new hood here. And if you've been watching my channel since I was in Cebu, I was living in a condo with a big balcony, and that's where I start my garden. But right now we're here in Siargao, and then I'll give you a house tour. This is the door. This is usually locked during nighttime, but of course it's daytime. And I like the idea that they have so many greens around. And this, what do you call this, stone or rock? Reminds me of Shangri-La resorts. Usually they have something like this. And yeah, welcome to the house. So when you go inside, there's a little foyer. So if you are a guest and I don't really like you so much, you just stay here, like quarantine zone. This is my luggage full of laundry, yet I need to do that laundry thing here. So maybe I'll ask a local to do that, so, to support business. And I have here toilet and shower and towel. I still left my towel and some of my items in my other resort, but we will be getting that. So this house is made of native material, which is I like. I stayed at a resort where it's concrete wall and fully cemented and painted, but it's okay. But I like more, my preference is more on the nature side, rustic. So this place is just so perfect for me. I just thought that it is just a little bit bigger, so we're heading on the second floor. Need to be careful because the stairs are a bit steep. So basically this is the house. So it's a big kind of bedroom without division. So there is a bed right there. Oops, I still haven't opened the window. So speaking of window, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 window, I have 6 window, curtainless window to be specific. So there's no curtains. The wind coming from all directions, I can capture them. And here is kind of my charging stations for all my gadgets. I have a fan. There's a big couch here. Can you see this couch? Here. In this side, this is where I just used to put my things, like mini tea time corner. My cabinet is already open. Forgot to lock it. I have a view here of our neighbor. So you see Filipino style, just so close to each other. I have my clothes here, kind of toiletry stuff, all the beach outfits, and my beach gadgets and dry bags and other bags, and yeah, the rest of my dresses. I did not bring so much, so I just travel light, because if I bring like my entire beach clothes, it will not fit in this entire cabinet. So that's on things side. Oh, I forgot my comb here and my brush. So here, there is a view of the entire hood. It's a bright noontime, high tide, and I will talk about more on this side. So this is where the big bed is. I should sleep here because it is protected by net, because we're still in the island, and you know, mosquitoes and all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm supposed to sleep there, but to be honest, I haven't slept there yet. This one, I have this bed, I have slept. I have here my favorite place. This is a sliding door kind of wall made of glass with blackout curtains, and here where I do hang out most of the time because it has a hammock. This is where I stay. Maybe I produce another video with a hammock. This is hammock, and this is where I just lounge around here in this side. And yeah, this is a nice view of the Pacific Ocean. So I hang some of my clothes here from beaching and for surfing, and I have a neighbor here, so I just did not pull it up, the blinds, the wooden blinds, because for privacy reason. And the most interesting thing right now is that I have an avocado tree in front of this